The Numbuzin No5 Vitamin Concentrated Serum is a powerful serum designed to brighten your complexion, improve skin tone, and provide a radiant glow. In this video, we'll be sharing how to use this serum properly, take a deeper dive into its key ingredients, and discuss some important do's and don'ts. The Numbuzin No5 Vitamin Concentrated Serum is formulated with a blend of vitamins and antioxidants that work together to brighten the skin, even out skin tone, and reduce the appearance of dark spots. This serum is ideal for anyone looking to achieve a radiant, healthy-looking complexion. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Here are the key ingredients in the serum. First, we have Vaccinium vitis idea fruit extract. This ingredient provides powerful antioxidant benefits, helping to protect the skin from oxidative stress and free radical damage, which can lead to premature aging. Then we have 5% panthenol. Known for its soothing and moisturizing properties, panthenol helps to calm irritated skin, reduce redness, and enhance the skin's natural barrier function. The next ingredient is glutathione. A powerful antioxidant, glutathione works to lighten hyperpigmentation, even out skin tone, and protect the skin from oxidative stress. Next, we have tranexamic acid and niacinamide. These two ingredients work together to deliver potent brightening effects, reducing the appearance of dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and uneven skin tone. And some other key ingredients are alpha-arbutin and vitamin C. These ingredients further enhance skin clarity by reducing pigmentation, calming inflammation, and improving overall skin tone. These ingredients work synergistically to brighten, soothe, and protect the skin, leaving it radiant and even-toned. Let's now jump into how to use the serum into your skincare routine. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. Apply your toner, which is optional. Shake the vitamin serum and take a few pumps of the serum onto your fingertips and massage into your face, neck, and chest area. After applying the serum, follow with your regular moisturizer to lock in the hydration and sunscreen to protect your skin from UV damage. Here are some important do's and don'ts to keep in mind when using the serum. Firstly, do apply to clean, dry skin to ensure maximum absorption and effectiveness. Do follow with a moisturizer and sunscreen to protect and hydrate the skin. When it comes to the don'ts, firstly, don't use too much product at once. A few drops are sufficient to cover your face and neck, and we don't recommend to mix with other strong actives like retinoids or exfoliating acids in the same routine, as this can cause irritation. Use these other ingredients in the evening. The Numbuzin No5 Vitamin Concentrated Serum is an excellent addition to your skincare routine, offering numerous benefits for brightening, evening out skin tone, and protecting against environmental damage. By incorporating it into your daily routine and following the proper do's and don'ts, you can achieve a more radiant, youthful complexion. If you want to learn more about how to brighten your skin and reduce dark spots, check out these two videos here next.